This is the brief on the newly revealed Volkswagen ID Cross. So, this all-electric compact SUV premiered today, July 15th, 2026, and it's basically designed to pack premium-class features into a small, really accessible package. You know, think of this car like a luxury Swiss Army knife shrunk down to pocket size. But how exactly do they cram high-end tech into a budget-friendly frame without cutting corners? Well, first, it's highly affordable, starting around 27,995 euros for the basic Trend version. Despite that low price, it's actually the very first vehicle built on the brand new MEB Plus platform, which is VW's latest foundational architecture made specifically for electric vehicles. Second, that strong foundation translates to everyday practicality. The battery specs are solid, you get up to a 427-kilometer range, and you can fast charge from 10 to 80% in literally just 23 minutes. Plus, there's a standard V2L, or vehicle-to-load feature. Simply put, this lets you plug in and power your everyday external devices right from the car. And the utility is honestly surprising. You get a 25-liter frunk for your cables, and it can even tow up to 1,200 kilos. Finally, the interior features technology normally reserved for expensive luxury cars. We're talking connected travel assist that actually reads traffic lights, Park Assist Pro that lets you park remotely using just your smartphone, and a really fun digital retro display mode inspired by the classic Golf one. Ultimately, the ID Cross is living proof that drivers no longer have to sacrifice premium technology or practical range just to get an affordable, compact EV.